Welcome back to Healing Path, where we explore natural and sustainable ways to transform your health, increase your energy, and help you live a happier life. Today we're talking about something our audience asks for all the time: fat-burning smoothies. If you've ever wondered whether smoothies can actually support weight loss, curb cravings, and give you steady energy throughout the day, stay tuned. This short video will show you exactly how the right smoothie ingredients can support your metabolism and help you burn fat naturally. Let's start with the basics. A fat-burning smoothie isn't magic, but it can be a powerful tool. Your body burns fat more efficiently when your blood sugar stays stable, inflammation stays low, and your cells get the nutrients they need. Smoothies help do all of this in one quick, easy drink. When you begin your day with something nourishing, you make better choices for the rest of the day. A good smoothie can truly set the tone. So what makes a smoothie support fat loss? It's all in the ingredients. You need fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Without these, a smoothie becomes a sugary drink that spikes your blood sugar and leaves you hungry. With them, you get steady energy, fewer cravings, and better metabolic support. Greens like spinach and kale provide fiber and nutrients while being extremely low in calories. Protein sources like Greek yogurt, chia seeds, protein powder, or nut butter help keep you full and support muscle health, which is key for fat burning. Healthy fats like avocado or flax seeds stabilize blood sugar. And add-ins like ginger, cinnamon, matcha, and cayenne can help boost your metabolism and reduce inflammation. Let's look at a few quick fat-burning smoothie ideas. A green detox smoothie made with spinach, cucumber, ginger, apple, lemon juice, and protein is great for digestion and morning energy. A berry smoothie with blueberries or raspberries, chia seeds, protein powder, and spinach is full of antioxidants and helps reduce inflammation. A creamy avocado smoothie with spinach, protein, almond milk, banana, and cinnamon is filling and excellent for blood sugar control. A matcha smoothie with spinach, vanilla protein, banana, and almond milk gives a calm energy boost and helps increase fat oxidation. Of course, it's not just what you add to your smoothie, but what you avoid. Too much fruit can turn your smoothie into a sugar bomb. Fruit is healthy, but stick to one serving per smoothie. Avoid flavored yogurts, sweetened milks, and juice as they add unnecessary sugar. Always go for unsweetened liquid bases. Think of your smoothie as a balanced meal: carbs from fruit or greens, protein from yogurt or powder, and healthy fats from seeds or avocado. The right balance keeps you full for hours instead of minutes. Smoothies also support your emotional health because starting your day with something fresh and nourishing reinforces positive habits. It's a simple act of self-care that builds confidence and motivation over time. Remember, smoothies work best when combined with healthy habits like hydration, daily movement, and good sleep. No smoothie can undo chronic stress or late-night snacking, but they make it easier to stay consistent and feel in control. If you're busy in the mornings, prep smoothie bags ahead of time. Add your fruits, greens, ginger, or herbs into small freezer bags. In the morning, just blend with your liquid and protein. It saves time and keeps you on track. You can also try fun combinations like pineapple with ginger and turmeric for digestion and inflammation support, or a cocoa smoothie with protein, banana, almond butter, and spinach for a healthy dessert-like option. Herbs like mint and parsley can also elevate your smoothies and support digestion. Consistency is more important than perfection. You don't have to drink the same smoothie every day. Rotate your ingredients for better nutrition and gut health. And you can drink smoothies any time of day: morning for energy, pre-workout for fuel, or as a light lunch. Before we wrap up, here's your Healing Path reminder: small steps create big change. One nutrient-dense smoothie a day can improve your energy, reduce cravings, support fat loss, and lift your mood over time. Wellness is about steady progress, not perfection. Thank you for joining me on Healing Path. If this video inspired you to try new smoothie ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment Healing Path to support our channel. Share this with someone who wants to start their fat-burning journey naturally. Stay healthy, stay mindful, and keep moving forward on your healing path.